Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log into your BOCUSA internet banking account using a web browser. Whether you are checking your balance or making transfers, here's how to do it step by step. So let's get started. Open any browser like Chrome, Safari or Firefox on your computer or mobile device. For this video, I'll go with Chrome. And in the search bar, type www.bocusa.com. Hit search. You will be taken to the official homepage of Bank of China USA. On the homepage, look for the Internet Banking Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. For this video, I'll go with Personal Internet Banking. Click on it and you will be directed to the Secure Login page. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. Here, now enter your user ID in the first field and then type your password in the second field. If you're logging in from a personal device, you may check the option to remember your ID for convenience. Then finally click on the sign in button to access your account. For added security, BOCUSA may ask for a one-time code sent to your registered email or mobile number. Enter the code if prompted to complete the login. If you forget your user ID or password, then simply tap on Forgot User ID or Password to retrieve it via your email. And if you don't already have an account, then simply tap on Register Now. And that's it. That's how you log into your BOCUSA internet banking account using a browser. Once you're logged in, you can manage your accounts, check transactions, or make payments. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.